Hello and welcome to our channel. Here's an authentic Filipino dish called pinakbet with colorful vegetables, bold flavors, and a dish that truly feels like home. Simple, healthy, and packed with classic Filipino tastes. Okay, let's start cooking. Let's heat up a pan over medium heat and add an olive oil or oil of your choice. First, let's go ahead and cook the pork until golden brown. While the pork is cooking, let's go ahead and add the garlic, ginger, and our onions. Now let's add our tomatoes and mix it well. Now we're going to add 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of shrimp paste and stir it well. This is where pinakbet gets its signature savory flavor, so make sure you adjust according to your taste. Here we're going to add our squash. Now I'm going to add a cup or a cup and a half of pork broth. If you don't have the pork broth, you can simply substitute with water. Let's cover the pan and let it simmer for about few minutes. Continue stirring gently and occasionally so that it keeps our vegetable intact. While simmering, we are checking the squash to make sure it's tender. Now let's go ahead and add 1 packet of mixed seasoning and also 1 pork cube. Now we're adding the string beans. We'll mix it well and let it simmer for a few minutes. At this point, let's go ahead and add our eggplant. Next, let's sprinkle some pepper and then we'll add the final vegetable, which is the bitter melon, or also known as the ampalaya. Once the vegetables are tender but not mushy, turn off the heat. Pinakbet should be slightly saucy, colorful, and full of flavor. Transfer the pinakbet to a serving dish and let it rest for a moment. And there it is, guys, our Filipino Pinakbet. A simple vegetable dish that's comforting, flavorful, and truly Filipino. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Filipino dishes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!